Hey guys, here we are with Stephanie, and she just got her Stihl RMA 510 lithium powered mower, and you're gonna see her first reaction. It's gonna be her first time turning it on, going through it. We just got here her lawn with this, and so you're gonna see a pure raw reaction from her and what she thinks about it and how it works on her lawn. But first, we're gonna go over the product just a little bit to show you what the product comes with. And how it works. So let's get started. All right, so what it comes with, you have a battery charger. So this is what the battery goes in. And here's the battery. It's lithium battery. The battery is it's not, I mean, it has some weight to it. You can tell it's definitely you know, it's substantial to run a lawnmower. Looks like it's got a button right here. You press it and it looks like it's about halfway charged, and you put it in the charger like this, and it just slides on in. And so pretty easy. And we got the owner's manual, the Stihl RMA 510. So let's go ahead and I'll tell you what, I'm gonna give this a Stephanie, and she's gonna put it in.
Okay.
And so it's her first time, so
It just slides in there, I guess.
that. There we go, shove, it clicked, and it looks like there's an on button. So she clicked the on button. Looks like there's that fuse box there, and this is just looks like a container for an extra battery. And so just close that. And so one thing that's really cool about this lawnmower is the height adjustment for the feet. For the wheels. You know, normal lawnmowers, you'll have each wheel will have a height adjuster, and it's kind of difficult to use a little bit because you got to go to each one. But with this, it has a lever right here, and if you can see right there, it's got 7 all the way to 1. So from 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inches. So we're just gonna go like this. It's pretty easy. Now it's on 2. You see, it's grass is fairly tall, so it goes all the way up to 7. And you can see it raise and lower, just with, and it really isn't taking much effort for me to do this. So, you know, why don't we start on maybe, we'll start on 4, and right here we've got side discharged or mulch. So we got the side discharge, and how about we try mulching this for the first time. Here's the bag. So we can raise this up. Stephanie, if you want to get that bag. And take the bag off. And here we have a plug. So if you want to use the bag, you take out this plug and you can just put the bag on, and it'll throw the grass to the bag. And if you want to mulch, just go ahead and put that on. So we're gonna mulch, so we're just gonna go ahead and put that on, close this. And so we'll put this over here, right here, and all right.
Okay.
Are you ready to go?
I think so.
All right, so we're gonna push this button first.
Just push it first? Okay.
And then once you push the button, then you're just gonna pull back on the handle.
Okay.
And at the same time, it's gonna activate it. All right, so what's your first reaction for how quiet or loud it is?
It's very quiet.
Awesome.
Very quiet.
Awesome.
All right. Are you ready?
Ready.
Very easy. Gosh.
What'd you say?
It's very easy.
Wow. So here we go. We get a view of the line of the grass. Looks like we took off about, maybe an inch or so. So I don't know if y'all can hear that on the video, but so right here, she got into a little bit taller grass, and it revved up more until she got through it, until Stephanie got through it. And then when she got through that thicker grass to a little bit, you know, a little shorter grass, and it wasn't, you know, it recognized it, which is really cool, and it slowed it down to conserve the battery. So really cool. Did you recognize it? Did you recognize it, Stephanie? Did you recognize when it powered up a little bit more when you went through that grass?
It was thicker right through there.
Yeah.
It went. Yeah, I did. I noticed it.
Awesome.
And it wasn't so hard to push. It's really easy.
What's your take on it? First time using it?
I love it, and I like it when the mulcher. It doesn't have grass lines everywhere either. I have another mulcher one, and it leaves grass lines everywhere. It doesn't mulch very good.
Okay.
I guess.
Awesome.
This is really nice.
Awesome. So here we have it. And you know what? It looks like it mows really good.
It's not very straight.
Well, well, thanks for watching, guys, and congratulations on your new mower.
I appreciate
And yeah, so this is a Stihl RMA 510, and our first impression of this here at this lawn is it works really well. So you should maybe try it out. Make sure you can check us out at west-equip.com, and you can check out the equipment that we have on there, and we got what you need. So we'll see you next time.